Hello students, I am Dr. Prachi Singh, Assistant Professor Mathematics, Government VYT PG Autonomous College, Durg, Chhattisgarh. Today I am discussing on fuzzy ranking method of decision making, which is the topic of fuzzy sets and their application, MSc 4th semester Mathematics. In many decision problems, the final scores of alternatives are represented in fuzzy numbers. In order to express a crisp preference of alternatives, we need a method for constructing a crisp total ordering. Since R, it means a set of elements, min, max is not linearly independent. So, fuzzy numbers are not directly comparable. To illustrate the problem of total ordering, there are three methods. The first method is based on Hamming distance on the set R of all fuzzy numbers. We know that the formula for Hamming distance for A and B is DAB is equal to integration mod AX minus BX dx. If D max AB comma A greater than or equal to D max AB comma B, then A less than or equal to B. The second method is based on alpha cuts. For comparing fuzzy numbers A and B, select a particular value of alpha belongs to 0, 1. Then determine the alpha cuts intervals alpha A is equal to A1, A2 and alpha B is equal to B1, B2. If the second coordinate and the second coordinate, if A2 less than or equal to B2, implies that A is less than or equal to B. Usually this alpha must be greater than 0.5. The third method is based on extension principle. When there are several fuzzy numbers A1, A2 and so on, then construct a priority set PAI is equal to supremum min AK RK, where supremum is taken all vectors R1, R2 and so on Rn, R1, R2 and so on Rn belongs to Rn such that Ri is greater than or equal to Rj for all Ij belongs to N. PAI denotes the degree to which AI is ranked as the greatest fuzzy numbers. Now we explain the comparison of these three methods with an example. Example, let A and B are two fuzzy numbers whose triangular type membership function is given in the figure. Also, the max of A and B is also given in the figure. The fuzzy numbers are these, A and B. A is from triangular fuzzy number from 1 to 3, A, C, D. Triangle ACD is fuzzy number A, and triangle OBE from 0 to 4 is fuzzy number B. Then equation of CA, coordinate of C 1, 0 and coordinates of A 2, 1. So equation of CA, y is equal to x minus 1. Similarly, equation of AD, y is equal to minus x plus 3. B is triangle OBE. Then equation of OB, y is equal to x upon 3, OB. And equation of BE, y is equal to minus x plus 4. This red mark is given for max AB. Now Hamming distance calculated as D max AB and A is equal to, from the figure A 1 to this point 1.5, so 1 to 1.5. Here max AB and A both are same. This is mod AX minus AX dx plus 1.5 to 2. Max AB is in BX and max AX. So mod BX minus AX dx from 2 to 2.5. Max AB is BX and AX dx plus 2.5 to 3. Here max AB is BX and AX plus mod 3 to 4. 3 to 4 there is no X, so only max AB. So 3 to 4 mod BX minus AX dx, and this AX must be 0. So when we calculate this from line of equation of lines, it is this one and this is equal to 1. Similarly, we can calculate D max AB B. Now D max AB B is equal to, फिर से वही इंटरवल 0 to 1, 1 to 1.5, 1.5 to 2, 2 to 2.25, फिर 2.25 to 3 and 3 to 4. इंटरवल सेम है, लेकिन अब यहाँ देखिए मैक्स ए बी फ्रॉम 0 to 1 मैक्स ए बी नहीं है, इसलिए इट्स वैल्यू इज 0. केवल बी एक्स है तो माइनस बी एक्स मॉड 0 माइनस बी एक्स डी एक्स. 1 to 1.5, 1 to 1.5, max AB is same as AX and BX. So mod BX minus AX dx. 1.5 to 2, max AB is same as BX, so mod BX minus BX. Similarly 2 to 2.5, 2.25 to 3, mod bx minus bx dx or 2.25 to 3 mod bx minus bx dx. Now 3 to 4 आप देख रहे हैं सेम एज bx, max ab is same as bx, so mod bx minus bx dx. So 0 to 1 only bx, तो x by 3 dx plus 1 to 1.5 bx x minus 1 minus ax x upon 3 dx. When we solve these intervals, these integration, we get 0.25. So d max aba is equal to 1 आया था, is greater than or equal to d max abb is equal to 0.25. So b is greater than a. b is greater than a. By Hamming distance, b is greater than a. The second method is alpha cut method. Here a is x minus 1 minus x plus 3 and b is equal to x by 3 4 minus x. So alpha cut set a is equal to alpha plus 1 3 minus alpha, and alpha b is equal to 3 alpha 4 minus alpha. This is a2 and this is b2. We see that this a2 is less than b2, so a less than b. Third method is extension principal method. Pa is equal to supremum r1 greater than or equal to r2 min a r1 b r2. From 1.5 to 2.25, figure a is upper than b, and from 0 to 1.5 and from 2.25 to 4, b is upper than a. So Pa is equal to 0.75 and Pb is equal to 1, implies that b is greater than a. Hence we see that in all three methods b is greater than a. Hence we see that we can say that these three methods can rank the fuzzy numbers a and b properly. Hence, we see that in all three methods, humming distance method, alpha cut method, and extension principal method, we see that B is greater than A. Hence, for ranking A and B, we can choose any one of the above methods.